is called the traveling hoop. And it is an overhand throwing activity that we're using for 3rd, 4th, and 5th. This is what you're going to need. Some kind of ball. We're using foam coated ball. Bowling pins. Or you can use like Pringles cans or a milk jug. Something for the students to aim at to knock over. And obviously, hula hoops. So what we did is we had the students stand on the black line, and I want to say that's about 5 feet or so away from them to start. They have a partner, or they can play by themselves, larger class sizes, so we have the students partner up. The goal is to try to throw the ball and knock down their bowling pin that's inside the hula hoop. And they're going to take turns if they had a partner. So you throw the ball, you knock down the hula hoop. I tell them you can get your ball first, or you can do the flipping first. But basically, when I knock down the bowling pin, they flip it over, kind of like my flip the hoop game. And then they stand the bowling pin back up, and they get their ball. They run back to their partner, give it to the partner goes. The goal is for the students to keep doing this process, to keep flipping over and over and over and over again until the hula hoop edge is touching the red line on the opposite side in the bowling pin's inside. When they knock down the bowling pin while the hula hoop's touching that red line, that's the winner. We stop the game and it's over. Some other rules in this version, this is like level 1, is anytime somebody else's ball or bowling pin, because that will happen too, knocks down theirs. So if I'm standing here getting ready to throw in my neighbor's ball, knock down my bowling pin, my partner, I benefited from it. We get to flip our hoop because our pin fell down. So we allow that to happen. Now, once we've scored them, then we go to layer 2, once the game's over, I should say, and we go to layer 2, we do opposite. So now we bring in the defensive strategy part. So if I see a team getting ready to score and I don't want them to score, I can try to throw the ball across the gym or wherever and knock down that team's bowling pin, and then they would have to move it back. So the only time you advance it is if you and your partner knock it down. If someone else's ball or pin knocks it down, now you would have to bring it back closer to where you're throwing from. So that's layer 2, and that's kind of where we stop with that one. But students have enjoyed this one, and I hope yours do as well. I'm Coach Pirillo, reminding you to keep on moving.